This is the mass make application of operation amplifier with discrete component trailer. Discrete means all the components have brought out on the front panel, and the connections for different experiment you have to make as per the manual. In the manual we have provided different type of experiments like inverting, non-inverting, summing, difference, and many more circuits. As per the circuits given in the manual, you have to patch the circuits. Here we have the resistance bank, capacitance. Here we have the diodes, Zener diodes, and supply. Supply is already connected in the 741. Two supplies individually settable with this help of potentiometer, 0 to 1.45 volt DC. Here is the potentiometer, 5 kilo, 2 meters having dual range, 5 volt, 20 volt, 5 volt and 20 volt. You can use as a input or output with the help of these meters. For the experiment you have to follow the procedure. In next video I will show how to patch the circuit and obtain the results.